Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to all of our family and all of our traders, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Another day, another opportunity. As you guys know, it's NFP, obviously, so we want to trade with caution, kind of see what the markets are going to do. But yeah, I wanted to welcome everyone, man. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys are looking at for the following week, or if there's anything that you guys see that catches your attention or you may need help with. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Also, not sure if you guys watched my latest video. Uploaded it yesterday. We've got well over 5,000 views on it, talking about my Forex funds. So as you guys know, there is some news there that is important to be aware of. So if you guys haven't found out what's going on, make sure you guys go watch that video. Also, welcome to everyone that's new. So if it's your first time here, guys, welcome to the family, or like I like to say, welcome to La Familia. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. Excited for next week. Excited for everything. Obviously, there's a bit of uncertainty with the prop firms and stuff like that, but we always want to be prepared for things like that, right? We always want to make sure that we're on the right track, right? And things like this will happen. It happens similar to crypto, right? Where the government of Canada wanted to regulate, which they got away with, regulate cryptocurrency, not being able to buy or sell through our Binance platform. So, and even through Coinbase, you can't sell. You can only buy, and you can only withdraw through Bitcoin ATMs. So there's a lot of regulation and stuff that does happen, team, and we just have to kind of deal with what we're working with and kind of go with the flow and hope for the best, right? So but yeah, I'm gonna just move this over here. Good morning, guys. Let's go. We've got what do we got? We got HK. Hello, Pedro. We got Enter RSVS. What do you expect from news in 12 minutes? To be honest with you, I'm not really sure. I haven't really fully dived in. It's probably going to be negative for the dollar, so we may actually see gold push up. But however, anything could happen. Anything could happen. Yeah, there's a good chance gold could go up. That's kind of where I have my eye on it. But remember that so many things could happen, right? So I'm not going to tell you guys, hey, you know what, enter, because it's risky at this point. But there's a high probability that we may see it push up. Let's see here. We got Luca. Hey, looks like I lost 200K funded with MFFs. Not a great day for me, but this can't stop me. Hey, man, I'm sorry to hear. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm sorry to hear that. That's horrible. Yeah, man. The best thing is just to stay positive. Keep pushing. Don't let that stop you. Don't let that, discourage you from continuing to do what you have to do, right? All it was really is just an opportunity, right? As traders, we had an opportunity to leverage these prop firms, right? But we have to also understand that with everything, there's going to be rules that have to be followed. There's going to be regulations and stuff that are going to come in the way and stuff like that. And it doesn't mean that it's gone. It just means that there's hoops that we have to go through, right, in order to get to where we need to get to. Obviously, it's nice because it's a great leverage tool, especially when you're starting out. You don't have much capital. The amount of work it takes to pass the funded account, or at least kind of build that account or protect it as much as possible, it takes a lot of sacrifice, right? So I understand your frustration. Because even me, I'm starting to, hopefully nothing doesn't affect on my end with my other funded accounts. So I'm just taking it step by step and just trusting God's plan. So We'll see what happens. Team, we got 14 members here. Can we get it? Let's get it to we got 7 likes. Can we get it to at least, let's get it to 14 likes. So we have 14 members here. Let's get it to 14 likes, team. Also, if you're here for the first time, guys, let me know in the chat below. Where are you guys tuning in from? Like, where are you guys joining us from? But yeah, let's go. We got Abe, my man. Morning. Good morning, my man. Abe, blessings to you as well, my man. What do we got here? What's your take on GJ today? Let's take a look at GJ. We're going to dive in deep here, guys. We're going to take a look at GJ and see, guys. Take a look at this. We were anticipating a pullback, and then it pushed down nicely. So GJ did end up going all the way down. That's what we were anticipating. Let's say you would have took it from this pullback here. That would have been well over 119 pips, guys. Believe that or not. That's crazy. Right now, I'll be honest with you. Like I said, it's a new month. I would stay away, but I think that GJ may continue to go down further. We actually closed below here on the 1 hour, so that's quite significant. We already kind of retested it. If we go on the smaller time frames, you'll see it as a pullback. So you can see here, look at that, the 5 minute. So then I'm anticipating GJ to potentially continue to go down further. Yeah, that's really what I see here, team. Other than that, yeah, we have to just trade with caution at this point. There's not much we can do here. Yeah. Team, good morning, good morning. We got Shivam, your USD buy. No, I would stay away from Euro USD. Why? Well, because Euro USD, we have so much sideways movement here. There's nothing clear. There's no clear direction, right? So I would just stay away from Euro USD. Plus, we have USD news, so we don't know what could happen here. So if the yeah, we have USD news. Let's see here. Let's see. Could be looking for buys potentially, yeah. However, I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Team, we're at 9 likes. Let's get it to 15 likes, team. Let's get it to 15 likes. So yeah, like right now you guys can see we're in this clear range. With the news coming out, we are holding off at this level of support, so we could see a potential push to the upside. Again, manage your risk at this point. You need to know how much you're risking here on the table. But as of right now, we're just stuck in the sideways range. Let's say, assuming you were to enter here, you need to understand, okay, I'm willing to risk 20 pips to potentially, let's say, if it does go up, 34 pips. Next area here, 55 pips. News is going to be probably heavy, so I'd say we could potentially see it come up to these highs, about 72 pips. But you need to know how much you're risking. I would say just safest bet, you could do like a 25 pip stop loss, just in case if you get wicked out and price comes down. Price tends to do that with news, where it may come down, you know what I mean, push down, fake out a lot of people, and then give us a nice impulse to the upside. So that's something that you just have to keep in mind. But I think that, yeah, we may be looking at a nice impulse to the upside. We'll see what happens, though, team. Gold, same thing. So gold, I'm really looking at potential impulse to the upside, team. That is a probability here. I think the dollar right now is pretty weak. I don't see it being bullish at all. Also, we are anticipating the dollar news to be negative, based off of the consensus. However, you know what I mean. Even if they're saying that that's what they're anticipating, doesn't necessarily mean that that's what's going to happen, right? So. Welcome everyone. Welcome to all the new members, guys. Also, guys, make sure you guys check out our free Telegram group, guys, that we have below. Also, guys, if you guys have a second to literally, if you enjoy these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button, guys. We are at 9 likes and we have 19 members here, guys. Let's go. Let's get those likes up if you guys want me to continue to come on here live. But yeah, that's pretty much it there for now. How's your morning going, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys are doing well. right, guys. Okay, so we'll see what's going on here. We got a few minutes left until news comes out. We got Abe Euro odd. Yeah, so Euro odd right now. I personally, I'll be honest with you right now. Let me just clear everything off. I think we're still in this kind of downwards momentum. So you can see that we are still in this kind of downward sentiment. If we look at the daily here, we are rejecting this area. So that's an area of interest. I would say it would probably pull back shorter term, so we may see it push up for a bit, but overall sentiment, if we look at the weekly, yeah, we may see a push up. However, the weekly still bearish. Daily, short-term bullish. 4-hour is bearish. So I wouldn't really trade Euro odd right now, to be honest. I really don't see anything that catches my interest personally. There we go. Let's see what happens here with gold. There we go. Let's see here. So yeah, you can see your USD pushed up nicely here. What are we talking about? 16, 18 pips. We'll have to wait and see what happens if we get a closure there. Nice. There we go. Euro USD looking good. $34 pips so far, team. There you go. I would say right now move your stop losses back to entry, make it officially a risk-free trade. Awesome, guys. Welcome to everyone that's new as well, too, guys. Welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got Shivan. What's your TP for Euro USD? To be honest with you, I'd probably take my take profit right now, personally, or at least I'd take 80% off the table. I didn't enter this trade personally, but I would say take 80% off the table, and then move your stop loss to entry, make it officially a risk-free trade. The reason being is it could still push up higher, but my overall TP would be around here, so that'd be TP2 up here at about 1.09171. And then I would see something like this, though. This is why I'm saying take 80%, because price will probably pull back, retest these previous highs, and then we may see a potential continuation to the upside. Or we may see scenario number 2 where price may pull back, okay, and then push back up, but then continue to stay now in this new range, right, before it maybe does its next potential move. So we have to kind of be cautious, team, and understand that the price may do, there's different scenarios with what price may do, and we have to kind of work with what we have. All right, so it's probably going to pull back from here, guys. We'll just let it do its thing. And then same with gold. You see how gold is starting to retrace? It's just creating that wick there. Yeah, it's pretty much it, guys. Welcome to everyone that's new as well, guys. All the new members. If it's your first time here, guys, don't be shy and say hi, guys. Don't be shy. Trust me. Let me know where you're tuning in from, like what country you're joining us from today. Also, guys, if you guys haven't joined in our free Telegram group, guys, the link is right there for our free Telegram chat. Also going to leave in my VIP inner circle for those that are interested to take my entries, get my exact trading view links, everything. It's all there and accessible. Yeah, and then broker links as well. If you guys are wondering what broker I use, there's a sign up bonus with my link as well. So take advantage of that as well, team. Team, we've got 18 members here live with us. Can we get it to at least 18 likes? We've got 11 likes, team. Let's pump up those likes. Really do appreciate you guys. Let me know your thoughts as well, guys. What do you guys think about the FTMO? Do you guys want me to create another video on it? I'm not sure if you guys saw my latest video, which got a lot of traction. We got over 5,000 views in not even 24 hours. In less than 8 hours. I uploaded it 8 hours ago, actually. So, we're almost at 6,000 views, which is amazing. So great response so far with that video. Let's see here. This was a nice push down. It was literally retesting. Let's see how much it actually dropped here, guys. So on that retest there that I was talking about, it actually dropped 55 pips. So that's not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all for GJ. This is why I drew this line here, because this was this level of support. Price actually closed below this area, retested it, created a wick high. Excuse me, ended up pushing back down to this level of support over here. So beautiful move, guys. 55 pips in and out. This is what I'm talking about. This is a really nice move here for GJ. We got Ed92, morning pager. Do you have any stats for your VIP, like wins, break evens, losses, risk reward? Yes. So Ed, my best advice is to go on. I'm working on updating my website, so you're not going to see it on the website because the website is like my old website. So if you guys are interested in joining VIP, and you're interested in kind of seeing everything, the entire breakdown, I have a log. So I have Google Sheets. So it's an actual PDF where you're able to kind of see every single trade I've taken. I'm gonna just pull this up here. Actually, I'm gonna put. So I have July's. I haven't finished updating August. Obviously, I'm gonna be uploading that shortly. However, I'm going to put the link here for July's month, and then I'm going to provide you guys, if you guys want, send me a DM on Telegram. So send me a message on Telegram. You can find me if you go to the free chat on Telegram that we have. The link is in the video description below. You'll be able to see my user. I have the little verified check, and it'll have my name, Pedro FX. Just click on my profile and then send a message, and then just let me know that you're interested in seeing it or interested in joining VIP, and then I will send you all the links, and I can send you the links to month of August as well. But yeah, I track everything, like the time I take the trade, when we got in, when we got out, what type of setup I found, or like what type of entry, what was my entry. Give me 1 second, I have everything here. So this one here is August. So what I'll do is, this is the latest one, but I haven't updated it. So basically I haven't updated the trade since we took it from, because I went on vacation for 2 weeks. However, there were still some trades that we took. So I'm just going to share this here just so you guys could see. I'll share with you guys the updated one obviously as well too. So but this hasn't been updated, by the way. So that's the month of August, but I will be giving you an updated one, so don't worry about that. But this gives you an idea as to what and how I track it. So yeah, it just shows everything. Like it shows like the date, the time I entered, the time I exited, the session, the pair I traded, if I'm looking for buys or sells, what type of setup I saw. So if it was a breakout, was it a retest, how many pips we caught, what time frame I was using, everything's there. And obviously you guys could, based off of the dates, you guys could see how frequent I trade. But yeah, this is not the updated one. I'll update it once we're done this stream, and then I'll give you guys an updated one. But that is it, team. That is it right there. Let's go, team. We're at 13 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's get it to 15 likes, team. Let's go. Let's go. And then what do we got? We got all the links there. I just want to make sure we have all the links there, team. We should be good. New website coming out for sure. Ed, give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna see if. Let me see here. Okay. You should be good, Ed. You should have access to this sheet. Oh, this is selling nicely here, GJ. I don't know if you guys remember, I told you guys that it was pulling back and it was probably going to continue to go down further. This was a nice move. Oh, look at that. Euro USD pulled back exactly as expected. So it pulled back in and then now it pushed back up. That's crazy. What's going on with gold here? Okay, so we got a pullback here. We got Shavam. Were you in this trade, Pedro? I was not. No, I'm in the sidelines today, guys. It's the beginning of the month. Just trying to sit on the sidelines here for now. We got Shavam. Nice call yesterday, bro, on the USD JPY and BIP. Yeah, I got you, man. I got you, bro. Yeah, and that's like, honestly, it's the end of the month too, so it's like, and I just got back literally 2 days ago, so just can't wait for next week, man. It's gonna be even more of that. VIP is always killing it. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for next week, so things should kind of solidify a little bit. Not so much news. Not the end of the month. You know what I mean? But even despite all of that, I'm happy that you were able to take advantage of the profits in VIP, my man. So I'm happy to hear that. And there's lots more of that coming. I'm telling you that for sure. So, and for the members that haven't joined in, let's say you're new to the family. If you're new, guys, welcome to the family, guys. We're live every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now the best thing is to, in terms of being up to date, knowing when we're live too as well too, because sometimes I'm live in the evenings. The best way to know is making sure that you are subscribed, but number one, making sure that your notifications are turned on, making sure that little bell icon is turned on. That way you never miss anything, any video. Like yesterday, I uploaded the video on my Forex funds and the news about my Forex funds around 1 a.m. So Again, right? A lot of people were aware of it. That video actually reached almost 5,400 views. So there's a lot of attention towards that. And the good thing is that I kept everyone updated as to what was going on. So always kind of making sure your notifications are turned on. Not only is it just going to be good for you to be aware of what's going on, but you're always going to be in the loop, right? You're not going to miss out on any sort of content, any sort of new video I pull out and stuff like that. So we got Shivam. And guys, if you have questions, don't be shy, guys. I'm telling you, that's why we have the chat. That's why I'm live right now. Like, technically, you know what I mean? Like, I don't really need to be doing the lives, but I love doing it because I get to meet more and more of you guys. Our family's growing day by day. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. And I know that it helps you guys as well too. So, but yeah, ask questions. We got my man Shivam here. Let's go. Would you recommend to use prop firm funded accounts? I'm interested in it because I want to trade on bigger capital, or should I use my own capital best? Okay. So I was so rock hard set before back in the day on just trading your own capital. I didn't realize how much of a potential there is with prop firms. Unfortunately, right now with the news that we have, and I don't know if you guys saw my latest video, for those that are new or were just joining in right now, I recommend you guys watch that video after this live stream. There's a lot to do with regulation. There's a lot of rules that we have to follow, obviously, around the world. You guys know that. The governments are always wanting a piece of the pie. They always want to regulate everything. So it's just part of how everything goes, right? Does that mean that it's over for prop firms? I don't think so. But if you want my personal advice now that I've kind of actually been trading now on my own and I have done challenges and stuff like that, 100% recommend doing prop firms. Now, obviously look for a prop firm that has a great reputation, like FTMO. In this case, it was myforexfunds, The Funded Trader, Rocket 21. There's so many other ones out there, but just look for one that is reputable. So that's my best advice. Look for one that is reputable. Don't do a big account. Start with something small, something you're comfortable. If you're comfortable with 50K challenge, do a 50K challenge. Why do you have to do a 200,000K challenge and try and reach these unrealistic goals that you as a trader, maybe you're just starting out, right? You don't want to put that type of pressure on you, right? And yeah, so that's basically my best advice. But FTMO's been around for, I think FTMO's been around the longest, if I'm not wrong. Don't mark my words on that. But they've been around for quite some time and they have an amazing reputation. So yeah, start with something small. Start with something like 50K or a 20K account, right? But at least that gives you leverage, because when you trade your own capital, the problem with trading your own capital is that, let's be honest, if you want to live off of trading or at least have a strong income off of trading, what you're going to find yourself is that because it's a smaller amount, you're going to want to try and flip that smaller amount. And because you're going to try and flip that small amount, you're going into it with the wrong mentality. And so because you have a small account, let's say you have your own capital at, let's say $1,000 or let's say $5,000, whatever that amount is, you know what I mean? You're not going to be able to do big lots like 5, 10, 15 lots, right? Where you can make, with 20 pips, you could be easily making $5,000, right? Or, whatever amount that can be, right? So that is something that it is really, really good leverage that we have as traders. The problem right now is, like I said, I've created a video on this right now, is that SEC is trying to regulate this industry and get their hands in there. Right now, is this going to be a domino effect for the rest? We don't know. Obviously, I'm going to be creating more and more content for you guys. I'll keep you guys updated as to what I anticipate may happen as news comes out. But that's something that I created the video on, and I'll keep you guys updated, always in the loop. So, but yeah, that's my advice. Like, if you're looking to start, but start with caution and start with small, right? Start small, but do it. Again, it's not financial advice, but if you were to ask me what I would personally do, I would personally do it. But trading with caution, starting a challenge with caution, it's starting a small challenge, not something big, right? Don't start with 100K challenge, 200K challenge. Just start with something small. You could do a 20K challenge if there's one. I think it's 25K, 50K, and there's like smaller ones, but yeah. I hope that answers your question, my man. Team, we are at 21 members here live with us. Welcome to everyone that's new. Welcome to La Familia. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Also, make sure you guys are connected in our free Telegram group, guys, and all the links are below. Also, guys, we're at 16 likes. Can we get it to at least, let's get it to 19 likes, 20 likes. Let's get it to 20 likes, team. Let's go. We're so close. Let's get it to 20 likes, guys. But yeah. We got Shivam here. My MFF is not working. You're not the only one, my man. Yeah, so that's... I don't know if you've watched my latest video. I recommend you watch my latest video on that. I do explain what is going on. But yeah, there's a lot going on right now. We'll see what happens. Hopefully things can settle and get addressed. So there's a court date for the 11th, and a week later there's a court date scheduled in Canada as well. So the 11th of September will be for the States, and a week later will be in Canada. So we'll see what happens. You know, it could come back. Everything could go back to normality, as it could also, you know, be the end of MFF, right? My Forex funds, and then this could be a crackdown onto the other ones. Again, it's not like something is wrong. It's just we have to understand that there are rules that have to be followed, and these guys are just going through that hoops, and that's normal. Every company has to go through that type of stuff, and it's just part of the game. And it's just unfortunate because obviously there's a lot of money involved. There's a lot of people involved into this, right? So that obviously affects a lot of people. Yeah, so anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. We had the huge impulse. It's Friday. I don't see much going on here other than the fact that, look at this, Euro USD pulled back exactly what I told you guys. Could it just be stuck in the range? I think it's probably going to be stuck in this range for a while, to be honest with you guys, being completely honest. I don't see it doing any other major moves. It's already kind of done this pullback here. Could it continue to go down maybe even further back into this range? Possibly, too. That's a possibility as well. So gold, we had a nice closure above. That's great. Now we are pulling back. Pulling back exactly here. Okay, we got my man Shivam here asking a question on GJ. To be honest with you, I think personally it's going to probably pull back, probably around this area here at 184, and then probably see a continuation. But I'll be honest with you, I'll be completely honest with you, it's Friday. it's the beginning of the month, I'm gonna stay away. I wouldn't even be looking at the charts anymore, guys. The move that had to happen has happened. There's another US news around 10 a.m. But again, at this point, at this point, it's just best to kind of stay on the sidelines and see kind of what happens. But overall, that was a nice push on gold to the upside. Don't see much else going on here, team. I'll be completely honest with you. All right, guys. So have yourself a blessed day, guys. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, let me know right now in the chat before I head out. I'm going to leave here the link for my VIP Inner Circle, guys. Take advantage. Prices are going to go up. There is limited of spacing. There's limited availability. We are now at 33 members. Before I left on my trip, we were at 24 members. And I told you guys to take advantage so that prices wouldn't go up. Obviously, like I said, it's very intimate. I like to keep it that way. So if you guys are interested in joining in, make sure you guys join in now and lock in the prices, guys, because trust me, I have members that locked in the price when I first started, and I had lifetimes. I was giving it away for like $400, $500, lifetime access. And those that locked it in as well, like when it was like less than $100 a month, they still have that pricing. So that's playing it smart and listening, because obviously prices are going to go up. And yeah, in the future, who knows, right? As our family grows, because our family's growing immensely, guys, things evolve, and I want you guys to take advantage of the information that's out there, the information that I'm providing. And this is because you guys have asked for it, right? I wasn't really planning on actually creating a signals group or anything like that. You guys asked for it. That's why I did it. So yeah, but anyways, I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. VIP has been pretty good. We already came back, killing it. So yeah, excited for next week for sure. We got Shivam. I just watched your video, bro. It's sad because I really was interested in my Forex funds. I know, my man. You know what? And I was also interested in my Forex funds in creating doing a challenge with my Forex funds. So I was also in the same boat where I was like, that was kind of one of the top 3 that I wanted to do a challenge on. So yeah, fingers crossed. I mean, I hope that the results from the court case end up being okay. And if it ends up being okay, then we should be fine. And then hopefully there's some good news. If it's negative news, then I don't know what to expect in terms of the other prop firms. We'll see if it's just maybe the prop firms that are involved in the States and Canada, or if there's going to be something that's going to be a complete domino effect. We don't know. The only thing I could tell you guys is I'll keep you guys updated. I'll create more. I could tell that this video that I created last night in, matter of a couple hours, like literally uploaded that video 8 hours ago, and it reached well over 5,000 views, 5,500. So definitely it shows me that that's what you guys want to see. You guys are interested in information like this and news, important news. So I'll keep you guys updated, because that's what I think you guys want to see. You guys want to see the latest news regarding Forex and all that type of stuff. So I'll definitely be creating more and more content about that. And now that it's weekend, I'm going to research more, guys. I'm going to research more and see what more information there is out there and what's going on. And hopefully, hopefully, like I said, hopefully it ends up being a little bit better outcome, and they get through this little rock. The only reason why I say that is just because if they get over this hump, then at least that won't affect any other prop firm. If it doesn't end up well, then that obviously could affect any other ones, and I'm hoping it doesn't, because there's a lot of leverage as traders. This helps a lot of traders, right? Once you have something that's solid, you have a solid trading plan, you're profitable, you're consistently profitable, having the capital to be able to make more money to then fund another account or your own account and build your own capital is huge. It's definitely huge. So it's a huge opportunity. I didn't see it like that before, but now I saw it. And I'm a huge advocate for prop firms now. Huge advocate, guys. Huge. But actually, let me know here. Let me know in the comments below, guys. What other types of videos do you guys want me to create? Because now that I have you guys live here, let me know. What do you guys want to see? I know that for sure that my Forex funds video is popular. Good to know. Excuse me. But what else do you want to see? Like, what other videos do you guys want? Do you guys want more Forex news videos like that? Do you guys want more like videos on like kind of like, you know, my like documenting my like my challenge, more of that? Do you want more of, let me know in the comments, guys. I'm kind of curious, right? Because that's going to help you guys as well too. We got my man Shivam. See you in VIP, Pedro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I'll see you there, my man. Let's go. They had some good prices for it. Yes, I know. I heard about that. I've been one of the best funders. Yes, I've heard about that as well. I think they're top. They were the number one, I believe. And now we're facing this problem. Yes, I know. And that's the thing is, guys, you have to understand it, and don't I know it sucks. It sucks a lot. But this happened also with crypto too. So, when I was, Canada put some regulations. I don't remember what regulation it was, but basically Canada put in some heavy regulations on, Binance. So you can't buy or sell cryptocurrency here in Canada. So it's very difficult to buy or sell cryptocurrency even through the app. I think in the States you still can, but yeah, so that really sucks. And it's just part of the regulation that they're put in place. And before you could at least transfer and use the Binance, but now like you can't use Binance at all in Canada. So in Ontario, at least where I'm at. So yeah, it's brutal. Like you can't, it's useless. So technically, if I want to buy Bitcoin, the only way I can buy Bitcoin is put it into my ledger, and go to a Bitcoin ATM or Coinbase, and then, but like Binance allowed me for a lot more different, what do you call them? I forget. I haven't been in the crypto space for a while, but the cryptocurrencies, like the small ones, right? Yeah, so like let's say if I want to invest in like something small, like a smaller coin or something like that, I can't, and Coinbase doesn't have it, but Binance does. Well, too bad, I can't buy it, right? So that's the only problem there. So we got my man Shivam. We've got two Shivams here. Let's go. Weekly TA for upcoming week. I'm actually going to be creating a video on that. So just keep an eye out on that. I will create a video on that, and I will be uploading that for you. So I'll create that for probably Saturday. So just keep an eye out. Make sure your notifications are turned on. You'll be notified as soon as I upload any of those videos. I'm going to be uploading a lot more on the news with my Forex funds and see what happens, kind of look into it. I'm going to do a bit more research and see what's going on, and I'll keep you guys updated as always. But yeah, and I'm going to put the link here for our free Telegram group, guys. If you guys are looking for a regulated broker, I highly recommend my broker that I use, Blueberry Markets. They're really good. They're regulated. And then also, if you are in the States and you're looking for a broker that's actually really good, they're not, I don't think they are regulated, but this is a pretty good broker. I haven't had any issues with them. This is on another account that I have. It's Hero FX. There's a sign up bonus with that as well, and that's the link right there for that broker. Guys, do you have any other questions for me before we call it a morning? Let me know if you have any other questions for me, guys. And welcome to everyone that's new. So all the new members, if it's your first time here, guys, welcome to La Familia. I'm excited to have you guys here. But yeah, just wanted to welcome you guys. My man Shivam, I want to see your channel 100K subs by the end of this year. Really good content. Thank you, my man. Appreciate it, bro. I really do, man. Thank you. Bro, honestly, like, my only thing I can ask you guys is literally the support that you're giving me. And I appreciate you guys because you guys are very supportive. So the best way to support the channel is every time you see a video, whenever you're scrolling through your YouTube, or let's say you have your notifications turned on and you get a video notification, click on the video, watch the entire video, because I do drop gems. I do always try to provide as much value as I can in every single video I do. Every single video I try to provide as much value. But watch the videos entirely, and always, if you could just literally smash the like button and leave a comment. It helps the algorithm. That's why a lot of YouTubers, you'll notice that we always say, hey guys, smash the like button. It's not that we want to bother you guys or like, hey, like, yo, by the way, like, you know what I mean? But it's like, it does help with the algorithm, and in turn it helps the channel kind of gain more exposure, and then it helps obviously the channel grow, and then it obviously, me as a creator, as a trader and a content creator, it motivates me to continue to create more content, right? So it's like, it's kind of like you put in all this work, and you know, it's nice, and you get to, like, as a family grows, you get to meet more and more people, which is amazing. And I think that's one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life, is being able to meet people and students from all over the world, from all walks of life, and being able to be like, wow, like, Pedro, I've watched your videos, like, man, like, you know, you've completely changed my perspective on trading, or hey, like, bro, I watched your video, I watched your live. And that is completely priceless. But also, the motivating factor is knowing that, hey, there's growth in the effort that you're putting in. You're seeing the results, right? And so obviously, in order to get the channel to grow, you know, sharing the videos, liking them, leaving a comment, every video that comes out, that makes a huge difference, guys. So I appreciate you guys. I know a lot of you guys do that. I know a lot of you guys, I see it when I start a live stream. I see it when I upload a video. I see people put comments right away. I see people put likes right away. I see people even share it, because I could see it in the analytics and stuff. Guys, it makes a huge difference, and I want to thank you, Shaban. Thank you, my man. I appreciate the kind words. I appreciate the kind energy, kind energy, and all of you guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the support. You guys have been amazing. God bless you guys. God bless you all. And yeah, just remember, put your trust in God in everything you do. Put in all the work, and trust me, you're going to see the results. Sooner or later, you will see the results, guys. Trust me. You just got to be willing to trust your analysis, trust the process, trust the journey, and you will see the light at the end of the tunnel. Guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed Friday. I can't believe it's already September 1st. It's nuts. Time flies. But wanted to thank you guys so much. Stay in the loop, guys. I'm pulling out lots more content, lots more videos. I post 3 new videos every single day, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Live streams are every single day, Monday to Friday, and I'm also live in the evenings. But the best thing, like I always say, is making sure you're a part of the notification gang, and that way you're notified. But yeah, wanted to let you know, guys, that if you have any questions, just ask it away. Even when I'm not live, leave a comment in the videos or one of my latest videos, and I'll answer it. I'll probably answer your questions there. Guys, if you are also looking for one-on-one mentorship, I do have one-on-one mentorship. Obviously, that is for those that are really serious about their trading. You know, you're kind of at that higher level. Your mindset is at that elevated level where you really need to take action. Let me know. I've got 2 spots left for the month of September. I'm currently working with 2 students. And that is, like, obviously there's initial investment that needs to be put in place, obviously, because you work with me one-on-one. But if you feel a calling and you feel like you want to work with me side by side, trust me, guys, that's what I did. I helped me a lot. I bought courses, I read ebooks, I read so many things. I did podcasts. I went through a lot, and I did a lot of mentorship as well. And so what I found that helped me a lot was the mentorship, and then staying in the communities, because in the communities you can ask questions, but in the mentorship you can know where you're going wrong. Because when you watch a course is great. Courses are great because that really helped me a lot with my trading overall, just having everything kind of structured step by step, which is great. Which, by the way, I know a lot of you guys, I've gotten messages from you guys asking me if I do copy trading. I don't do any copy trading, nothing. The only thing I have is my VIP inner circle, which is my live trade analysis. I share my live signals. I share my trade analysis with the TradingView links. I do live Zoom calls with my students, and I have a high frequency. And I say high frequency because the amount of value in the group chat, guys, is second to none. The amount of value in that group chat is second to none. So that is my VIP inner circle. And a lot of you guys have messaged me about copy trading. I don't think I'm interested in that. I'm not going to be doing that, or passing the myforexfunds, or passing challenges like prop firm challenges. I don't think that's another thing I'm also interested. But I've had a couple of you guys reach out to me and ask me about maybe potentially coming out with a course. because you guys want to figure out and learn some of my strategies. And I am now, before I wasn't considering it, but now I'm definitely considering it. So keep an eye out on that. If that is something you're interested in, let me know. That way I can kind of create like basically like a pre-order list and know who is really interested in a course. If you are interested, let me know in the free Telegram chat, and just let me know, and then that way I can grab your name, and then I will be emailing you or sending you a message through Telegram when something like that is going to be coming out. But yeah, I've had a couple of you guys reach out, and I'm like, you know what? If this is what the people want, if this is what the family wants, then I'm gonna pull it out. So that is something that's in the works, potentially coming out with a course, a nice in-depth course. And yeah, that is all, team. Let me know, do you have any other questions, guys? We're at 21 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes, team? Let's get it to 25 likes, guys. Let's go. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions. Any other questions, team? Also, guys, wanted to let you know if you guys are or have been considering joining my lifetime membership, because there's different memberships. If you have been considering joining my lifetime memberships, guys, make sure you take advantage of that, because lifetime used to be a lot more less, but prices have gone up because of the popularity. The value that you get in it, guys, is immense. You pay it once and then you forget about it. You have to worry about paying it again, and then you're there for life, which is amazing. So make sure you guys check that out. As lifetime memberships will be going up an extra $500 soon. So yeah, just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up. Take advantage now, lock in the price, and be a member, be a lifetime member, guys. Let's go, Siobhan. Let's go, my man. Really good content. Much love, brother. Appreciate the love, my man. Really, really do. We got a question here from Ansab. What is your normal stop loss? 20 pips and take profit? So typically I like to do like, I think it really depends on the pair that I'm trading, but if it's like, for example, if it's gold or something like that, like gold, I'll definitely do anything like around 30 pip stop loss. 20 between 20 to 30 pip and max, I'd say, for gold. Like typically with gold it's a little bit more just because like there's a lot of volatility and stuff, so I'd say I'd do anything anywhere between 30 to 40 pip stop loss on gold. But anything else like Euro USD or GJ or whatever, I'll do anything between like 25 pip to 30 pip stop loss. Sometimes I'll do something really, really tight where it's like 15 pips or 20 pips. But my average is like 25 pips in terms of top stop loss. That's typically what I do. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. That's typically what I do. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing like my other trades that I've taken, it's all on my channel, guys. All the videos are there. My past videos are in the channel that you guys can rewatch and see kind of the trades I've taken in the past. The live streams are all there as well too, guys. It's all, the proof is in the pudding. It's all there. But yeah, so welcome. By the way, welcome to all the new members, guys. If it's your first time here as well, welcome. Make yourself at home. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. Lots more content coming out. So if you guys are new, make sure you come say hi, comment in the chat below, and make sure you're subscribed, guys. I'm telling you, if you're not subscribed, I'm telling you, you're missing out on a ton of free value. I think that's the biggest thing, is it's the free value aspect, right? It's not just about just like, hey, subscribe, guys, and that's it. No, it's like, it's the value that we try to provide and to try and help you guys, right? Because we genuinely want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to avoid the mistakes I went through. I want you guys to be successful in your trading. I've always said this in my channel. I've always said this. The biggest reward is being able to see other people succeed and being able to see how you can create such an impact and bless other people. I think when, and I've said this in the past, I think when in the past you give something, right? You give something to someone. It's so much more satisfying to give something to someone and say, here, I got you this, right? And you know that person appreciates that, or that person really wanted that, or that person, whatever, you know what I mean? It's so much more satisfying than you actually getting something physical or like whatever, you know what I mean? So it's so much more satisfying actually giving back. And this is why I created this community, because I felt lost. I felt the same way. I felt so confused. I felt like there were so many questions in this industry. There were so many things that came to my mind, but there was no exact answer. There was so much information out there. I was like, what do I listen to? What is right? What is wrong? And so there's so many aspects in the last 5.5 years I've been in the markets. I've learned so much. I've developed so much as a trader. I've matured so much as a trader. And that's when I said last year, August, I said, you know what? I'm going to start this channel. I'm going to create an impact, bless other people. Because I had lots of people reach out. I had family, friends, people, even my parents' friends telling me like, yo, like, you're good at what you do. Like, you should, you know what I mean? You should actually like teach other people. You should literally like, start a YouTube channel. Like, you have no idea how much of an impact you can create and all that. So yeah, that's just like a little bit of an encouragement, a little kind of backstory as to how this all started. We got Ansab, do you give out these signals and how much do you charge? Ansab, I do give out signals. Yes, I do have a signals chat. So when you join my VIP, you get access to a lot of stuff. So you get access to my exact trade ideas, my trading view links. So you guys get access to the trading view links that you can click on the link. You can look at everything with detail, the take profit, the entry, the stop loss, everything. You also get access to a separate group chat. So there's a broadcast channel, there's a separate group chat channel, and in the group chat, I call it the high frequency group chat, because the amount of value that's in that group chat, like you can ask questions that you maybe need answers to. Like there's other traders that are already profitable that have passed their funded challenges easily, easily, and have gotten funded. There's just so much value in that group. That alone is worth so much. But also I do live Zoom calls with my students as well. There's so much that goes with it. But there's different tiers and memberships, right? So it depends. If you're looking at like just joining in 1 month, you get 30 days access, $145. If you're looking at like 3 months, or if you're looking at lifetime, it's $1,500. But yeah, if you are interested in joining lifetime, let me know. Send me a message. I might be able to give you a nice little discount code on there as well. For the VIP monthly ones, the prices are going to be going up. I know there's other traders that charge like even like Mamba FX and all these other guys, they charge like $199. Jeremy, all these other traders that do all this stuff, they charge like $199 a month. And the amount of value that you provide, it's not just signals, right? Because you'll find some signals out there. I don't know. There's probably a crap ton out there, but you'll find a bunch of them, and they'll have like you're not getting value. You're getting just complete garbage, and they're charging you $100 a month. So for an extra $45 a month more, you get a lot of value. But I would do what I did was just buy the lifetime, or buy at least like 6 months or 3 months, right? I have some members that have gone the 3 months, and every 3 months they make their profits, and then with that profits they pay off their or they upgrade to the lifetime, right? So there's so many different ways to go about it. But the value that is provided is second to none. So the best way to get access to it, if you guys are wondering, for my VIP, the link is right here. I'm going to put the link right here. It's in the video description, but I'll just put it here in the chat for you guys. Take advantage, guys, and join in on that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. It is 9:30 a.m. There is some more U.S. news at 10 a.m., but it's Friday, guys. It's NFP. It's the beginning of a new month, guys. I'm going to probably call it a day for now. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed. Make sure you guys are connected in the family. Make sure you guys are you have your notifications turned on, because I have lots more content coming out, guys. I will be creating more and more content about my Forex funds and prop firms, and what I recommend, what other prop firms I recommend as well. In the meantime, I do have my Rocket 21 funded next, and I have my FTMO. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you know what my suggestions are next. If you guys are thinking about starting a prop firm, if you haven't already, send me a DM through Telegram, and I have a special offer for you guys with a discount code on there as well. So send me a DM through Telegram. You can join the Telegram or find me on Telegram in our free group chat. The link is in the video description below. I'm actually just going to put here the link for the free Telegram group, guys. And if you guys are interested, just send me a message. What do we got? We got a member here says, Mamba once released a lifetime Telegram. I bought the access to this Telegram, and after a few months, Mamba stopped posting signals there and launched a new product of some application. Yeah, no. That's the thing, right? Like, in these guys, they charge a lot more. The nice thing with getting the lifetime with mine, guys, I've been doing it consistently for a year. You guys could look at my history. You guys could look at like my channel. You can see the consistency. You can see how serious I am in everything I do. And honestly, I've only had one product in terms of services as to what I offer. I do one-on-one, but I keep that very intimate. But other than that, I only have my VIP inner circle. And I've had my VIP inner circle since inception. So basically, I started the channel, or basically when I started posting consistently on the channel was last year, August, exactly 1 year ago. It's crazy. We've grown up to almost 5,000 subscribers. But yeah, if you guys are interested and you're looking for a community that's solid, I'm telling you guys, my inner circle, and I always tell people, I'm like, just pay the lifetime, you pay it once, but the value you're going to get is immense, guys. But yeah, no, I've been doing it for a year consistently. You guys could see the history of it. If you need also proof to see, for example, like the monthly journals, I journal every trade. I have the link for my Google Sheets for the last 2 months. If you want, I can send you the most updated ones, the last 2 months. For the month of July, August, everything's there. It's all documented. All the proof is there. You just gotta ask. So don't be shy to ask, guys. So if you're thinking about joining NVIP, ask questions if you need to. I have people always emailing or asking questions, but the best way to get a hold of me is through Telegram. Instead of emailing me, just send me a message through Telegram. You'll find my profile on the free chat, and just send me a message. But yeah, no. That's the thing. A lot of people aren't serious. You know what I mean? I've been doing this, like, this is what I do. I quit my 9 to 5 literally about a month ago. I quit my 9 to 5 job a month and a half ago. So yeah, I left my 6-figure 9 to 5 job to trade full time. And YouTube doesn't even pay me like $50 a month. Like from 5,000 subscribers I have, I only make $50 a month. So definitely not living off of YouTube. But you know, it's been a blessing, and the community that we've created is amazing. So, but yeah, no, and then I'm probably coming out with a course because I know that a lot of you guys have been asking about it. So I'm probably coming out with a course. But other than that, my focus has always been you guys, obviously, right, on the channel, and my VIP inner circle. VIP inner circle is my top priority. These people pay for it, and so you know what I mean. You get what you pay for. Quality over quantity. I'm telling you right now, it's quality over quantity. You get what you pay for, right? If you find something that's cheaper, you find another one that, you know, this person has a lifetime for $1,000 and it's $500 less or whatever. You get what you pay for, guys. I'm telling you, you get what you pay for, right? So best advice is just be careful out there. I'm not telling you buy my VIP or buy what I have. I'm just saying, just you get what you pay for, and that applies in everything in life, right? So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in my VIP for those that are interested in joining in, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. I will be creating